College students are bombarded with so much during the semester, from studying to football games, and let's not forget politics. There's a ton of issues you care about, so let your voice be heard. Election Day is Tuesday, November 6th, 2018. So make sure to check your voter registration today. Go to vote.virginia.gov to register, update your registration, or to find out where your poll is located. The deadline to make any changes to your registration is October 15th. And remember, you must vote where you're registered. If you attend college outside of Fairfax County, you can vote absentee by one of two ways. Apply for a ballot to be mailed to you at vote.virginia.gov. All you'll need is 5 minutes, your driver's license, and your social security number. If you already know your address at school, apply now and the ballot will be mailed to you in late September. Only you can apply for and submit your absentee ballot. When you receive your ballot, follow the instructions carefully and make sure to mail it back with a purchased postage stamp. The ballot must be delivered to the Office of Elections before November 6th at 7 p.m. or it won't be counted. The second way to vote absentee is in person. Starting September 21st, you can use a fall break or a trip home to vote in an absentee voting location. All you'll need is a photo ID. Your vote matters. Contact the Fairfax County Office of Elections for sample ballots and the dates and locations for in-person absentee voting.